In the previous slide, you were introduced to the definition of trauma. As educators, it's vital that we remember and, of course, keep in mind that the symptoms of trauma are very much real for those students who have and/or are currently experiencing trauma. Take a moment, review the symptoms of trauma. You can then consider some of the reactions you may have noticed from students that you work with daily. Their inability to concentrate, their lack of interest in academic activities at hand. Memory is impacted. They may not want to eat at certain times, may complain of headaches and panic attacks. We can consider that the symptoms of trauma impact a student's ability to learn and be engaged daily during instruction. And therefore, we use these as signs to take a step back and consider trauma-informed practices that will best help students feel safe and build trusting relationships with adults.